Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to mark the V sign or the check mark symbol in Google Sheets. So first you want to make sure that your internet connection is turned on. Then I'm just going to reduce the column where I want to add my check mark. In my case this is E. Now I'm just going to click the top space in the column E and drag down to select multiple rows. You can select only one space, but if you like to select multiple you can do that as well. Now, click on Insert and select Checkbox, and you'll see that it applies checkboxes to all the rows you selected. If you'd like the color of the entire row to change when you tick a box, you can use conditional formatting for this. To do that, simply select all the rows with the checkboxes or as many as you wish and select Format, then Conditional Formatting. And since I want each row to change color every time I tick a box, you want to change this from E1 to A1 because that is the first column, and then the ending column is E and the ending row of your checkbox. This is 14 in my case. If it isn't in your case, simply change it to the appropriate number. Then under format rules, change this to custom formula is. And here we're going to enter a formula which is equals $sign and the column with your checkboxes. In my case, this is E, so I'm just going to enter that, and the starting row, which is 1. And now you can just change the color to whatever you want it to be whenever you tick the box. I'm going to make it green. And here you see that if you tick the boxes, the color changes each time. And that's it for today's video. I hope it helped you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, share, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.